BVS Cocpit software is a complete and easy tool to make your vision inspection. It's the only tool to test your application having no software installed on your PC. You don't have to buy a machine vision system, and still, you make your test staying safe at home. This video shows how to run your test to get a complete program which can be imported by BVS camera or a machine vision system. Now we go to balluff.com to get access to BVS Cocpit. We can call and help if you face a problem. You log in your account by card. If this is your first time here, just register as a customer. You will have a possibility to shop online as well as to get internet tools such as BVS Cocpit. Once you log in, go to My Balluff and choose Demo Software. Now just click on Start Demo Session. We recommend that you read and confirm software license agreement. To start your test, choose Configuration and Set up Camera. Once you chose a setup camera, you just take an image. Then, set your frame rate to 1 frame per second. Now, you select images from the images imported before. Then go to choose the right tools for your inspection by clicking on Insert a new tool. The first step is to set locator. Choose Find Object, then name it. You may use already prepared process to simplify a learning procedure. For this, you should use a background picture of the object. Now use a picture of the object and click on Capture. The tool marks the mask area automatically. This is the area of the inspection. You can set your mask area yourself. If you delete an automatic area and set it the way you wish. Once the mask area is set, the tool defines the area of edges. Having learned it, in the picture you can see the green edges previously defined. If the locator is set, we may change the reference points. This is crucial in the applications where robots should be positioned. The last step you should take is to optimize the tool parameter. Here you can change the working area of the tool, the accepted rotation of the object, projection factor relative to the pattern. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the results coming from the tool. This time it's the inspections result, Time of processing, the number of the found objects and their position. After you accepted the parameters, go to the next step of the inspection. That time is to read the text from the label. Go to Read Text and set the area of reading. Then you should choose the type of font from the list of all fonts. Thanks to this, we don't have to teach. In the result window, you can see what has been read by the tool, going to the output text verse. Now, go back to Find Object and choose results you'd like to monitor in your application. A Find Object tool lets you, first, display numerical values, second, decide which graphic nodes shall be shown on screen. Now, move to the Monitor section. Click on Run and see the results which have been chosen before. One of the results is the status of the inspection. If the terms of the application are not met, you will see the command Fail. At the left side of your screen, you see the results of the inspection. Red marks refer to the failed inspections. Now, stop the inspection and save it. It's ready now to export to a smart camera or a machine vision system based on BVS Cocpit software. Now click on Export. Your inspection is being processed. At left bottom corner, you have your archive ready to export.